Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Gold futures chart here. We start to see the rally that we've been talking about in the last video. The alternative count would have allowed for a bit of a deeper wave 2 correction, but it seems as if we are doing the third wave rally. I did highlight to you in a previous video, if we break above the previous swing high, which was here at around 2066. So we've broken that. We're not sustaining above it though at the moment, but it's starting to look interesting. So if we break that and obviously sustain above that level, that this could be the third wave rally. That was the key pivot point, the decision point. A sustained break above it would unlock potential into the $2,300, $2,400 range. Yeah, not in one go, but it would most likely, as you can see here on the roadmap, all happen without any deep retracements. Most likely, the way the count would be 3-4, 3-4, we would get rather shallow retracements. Now, again, it's a little bit too early to really confirm it, but we've got everything we need. We have had a pullback in a wave 2 into our support zone in orange. We reacted to the golden ratio, danced on that level for a few days, well, actually not just a few days, for a couple of weeks, and we're now rallying. And the behavior we see now is rather typical for a third wave, so it wouldn't be a surprise to see such a spike. But it's not overwhelming, not yet, but it is typical impulsive behavior. Now, again, it could still be a bit of a high B wave. It looks still at the moment very much like a 3-wave structure. What we would eventually want to see is a rally in 5 waves that takes us to the third wave target. What would be the third wave target? Let's take a look at that. Target for the third wave. So we take for that the length of the wave 1. We go to the low of the wave 2. And then we're looking for the 1.618 extension. So it would need to take us this third wave, not in a straight line, but in a rather quick way, to around about $2,178. That would be a confirmation that this is really the real deal here, that this is the count. First of all, it's important that we're now holding above the wave 1 high, which was at 2066. It currently looks like it, so it's fine. Again, this is common behavior for a wave 3, so wouldn't be too surprising. The idea was that as long as we're holding here the 78.6 retrace at 1970, we can carry on with this count. It was the primary count. Again, the alternate count would have allowed for a deeper pullback. Again, that can still happen. It would just be an extremely frustrating move, because in the alternate count, all of this would have been a wave 1. Then a move down in an A wave, here an overshooting B wave, absolutely possible, and then a C wave down. Now, overshooting B wave, they do exist. How high can such a move go and still be an overshooting B wave? Well, for that we take a look at the overshooting B wave resistance, and that is now interesting. That level is 2091. So strictly speaking, as long as we hold below 2092, the move up could just be an overshooting B wave, especially if it's only in 3 waves, which it is at the moment. Just be aware of that. But it currently looks like a third wave rally starting. And that would be the heart of the third wave rally, as explained in the last video, because it would be a third wave of a third wave of a third wave. That's it. So it can go quite quickly, and I think this can happen over the next few weeks or so, and it's not going to happen overnight, right? But as I speak, we're already pushing higher here. Are we actually? We are pushing a little higher. So so I'm going to upload the video now. There is not much more to add. This view is valid as long as we're holding here the wave 2 swing low, which was made at around 1982 on the 19th of April. So looking at the subwave structure, again, this could be some kind of a 1-2 setup, and then maybe another small 1-2. Here maybe as well, another 1, 2, 3, then we would get a 4 and 5. So in all likelihood, it's a bit hard to count here all the subdivisions. You can come up with something, but is it really sustainable? I'm not sure. The thing is, if it really rallies from here, we possibly have one or two smaller 1-2 setups here, so it could lead to quite a bit of an extension. But it's a bit too early to really confirm that, but we're now already at 2070. So I'm going to upload the video. Target should be clear, invalidation point should be clear. By the way, if it's just a high B wave, then the alternate count will become valid, and we are going to come down most likely into the yellow support zone below 1865 and 1937. But even then, I wouldn't even think that gold is in much trouble. It would just mean a bit of a deeper setback in an overall uptrend. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.